as you'd expect with any good engineering show, 3D printing and additive manufacturing. So here is a great example of shining 3D machine. This is for metal printing, so any metal that you could put into a powder, so coppers, Inconel, tungsten, things like that. Pop it into the machine and make it sound simple. In there, that will then print using SLM, selective laser melting. That will print parts at approximately 2 centimeters in the Z per hour. Great example of components you can manufacture just here. So precision parts, now reliably informed, this machine will go down to 15 micron accuracy. So pretty accurate stuff there. So you've got your airfoils as an example, intricate parts, some automotive parts there. So that's your metal side of things. Then moving down here, again, as you'd expect from your 3D printing, additive manufacturing, here the 3D printing are your plastic parts, so any type of plastic, and that's done on a machine like this. Again, the shining 3D, but this is for your plastics, and this is working, as we probably all know, like an inkjet printer, printing the plastic in layers.